smashed our grill. We lost the grill to the truck, it's gone. If you've ever had the real stuff, you could never drink the junk. Time to get to work. Got a flat, I popped the sidewall. Limited edition pumpkin flavor. God, it's so good. Opening morning, we're sitting there in the truck. A monster mule deer buck walked by in the dark. It was too dark to shoot. We were in shock in the truck. Monster muley buck, but literally it was about 10 minutes before shooting light. It would have been iffy if I took the shot. It's Colorado rifle hunting. It's the third season. We're hunting deer and elk. We're high in the mountains. I just filmed a taco recipe for my Let's Give It a Try show on Blackstone, so make sure you get over there and watch that. Check it out. Oh my. And take a look at what I have in my possession. A Danish Kringle. This is the limited edition pumpkin flavor. These are made in Racine, Wisconsin. And if you've never had a Danish Kringle, you are missing out. Ooh. Gonna fire up my Blackstone camp griddle. We only need to warm this up at home. We put them in the oven, 350 degrees per the instructions, for like 3 or 4 minutes. That's it. You eat it warm, just like a Danish. So I am thinking that we could probably just warm this up on the griddle top. Oh, I just split it. Don't tell anybody that I broke my Kringle. And I'll leave this on low heat for a few minutes. Should do the trick. Have some Michigan apple cider, the good stuff. Shout out to anybody watching from Michigan. Anybody from Michigan? I grew up in Pennsylvania and we drank a lot of the good stuff, the good apple cider. Apple cider is just like maple syrup. If you've ever had the real stuff, you could never drink the junk. And in just about 5 minutes, the Kringle is ready. Now remember, you promised not to tell anybody that I broke it. Cut this up into smaller pieces. I can smell fresh pastry, pumpkin, apple. Oh man, hopefully the camera is picking that up. Man, wow. Apple cider, pumpkin, Danish Kringle. This morning, 15 minutes before shooting light, legal shooting light, the biggest mule deer buck that I've ever seen in the woods. Well, I'm hunting, that is. Huge, massive, probably 150, 200 yards. Had to let him go. It was too dark to shoot. I mean, it was huge. Then we hunted the rest of the morning. We didn't see anything. Stay tuned. I have a buck deer tag, a bull elk tag, and 2 of my sons have doe deer tags. Hey, and a shout out to Lee Watkins, my longtime subscriber. Lee, if you're watching, buddy, come on. If you've never had one, you have to try it. They're exceptional. Mid-afternoon, first day. So we saw that monster mule deer buck that I could not get a shot at in the dark this morning, and that was it. We're up for the evening, about 11,000 feet, 10 and a half, 11,000. About 3:30 p.m. opening day. Well, that didn't turn up anything, some nice meadows, lots and lots of elk tracks. You could tell that at one point or another over the last couple of weeks, there were definitely a lot of elk up in that meadow. And then a guy came walking on the other side of the meadow 400 or 500 yards away. So we decided to get out of there and get back to the truck. We're gonna drive out, check out some other areas for deer. Day one comes to an end. It's not for lack of trying. We just saw a bunch of bucks and a bunch of does on private land. I mean, that's how it works. Day number 2, first light. We were just getting onto this public road. Smash a doe, full speed, jumped out, smashed our grill. We lost the grill to the truck, it's gone. Broken leg, and she scurried up a hill. It was not fun. Day 2, we saw a deer. A lot of blunders this morning, but there's no blunder here. This guy right here just got his first big game animal. We've been trying hard. He got a big Colorado mule deer doe. My goodness. It's happened quick. We've had a very exciting morning. Let's just leave it at that. First tag punched, baby. Got that animal skinned out and bagged. And Jesse is now tagged out as well. We're tagged out on deer number 2. Turns out it's a button buck. You can see it's got little buttons right on top. Time to get to work. Both of the boys filled their doe tags, 2 does down. Got everything skinned and quartered out and on ice in the coolers. So exciting to have them fill those 2 tags. 2 deer in the cooler, but look what I brought with us today. I brought smoked salmon and smoked Gouda. Let's make smoked salmon and Gouda grilled cheese with tomato soup. Grilled cheese with tomato soup. I'll tell you what really hit me and got me surprised. I bit into grilled cheese, and we know what grilled cheese is gonna taste like. The smoked salmon, woo, it kinda took me back a step. It's killer. So if you could do this, if you like smoked salmon, which we do, we love it, paired with the smoked Gouda, some good sourdough bread, and of course, dip it in that tomato soup. We just got done changing our tire. Insane. Actually, got a flat. I popped the sidewall in some private property between public, right beside $5 all on private property. Sun's going down. You're not gonna believe this. Oh my goodness. Praise the Lord. Past the mule deer. God is so good. Had an opportunity yesterday morning. It was before first light and I couldn't shoot. This morning I messed up an opportunity and I just made some, I didn't shoot at the deer, but I made a mistake and I scared one. Almost dark. I spot these up on a hill. Wow. Oh my goodness. To my friend Stefan, who said, Todd, you'll get a big one tomorrow since you missed one this morning. No, Stefan, I'll get one tonight. We drug it a couple 100 yards already, and now we're 3/4 away to the truck. We got it done. Quartered out, caped, in case I decide to mount it. I don't know. I got all the meat. I couldn't have did it without the kids. it was an amazing day, and it was proof to me. God reminded me of just how forgiving he is and how he's the God of second chances, because I made a lot of mistakes, and we just had a day that was so much fun. I don't deserve this at the end of the day. My goodness, the kids got the does, and it was worth it. Actually, Jesse's turned out to be a button buck, but the kids got does. I appreciate everybody watching. Oh my goodness. Praise the Lord and pass the mule deer buck. God is so good. And one of the greatest parts of hunting is getting ice at the convenience store, right?
Yeah.
Because we got meat, cooler filled with meat, another cooler filled with meat. There's meat everywhere. Praise the Lord.